Guess I'm live. Hey, what's up? This is George Shamon. I want to welcome you to this quick and short video. I'm gonna squeeze it in before I leave to work. This is gonna be about, as you saw the title, the IP address command in Linux. I mean, I know you use this in Windows and other systems, but I want to focus on Linux because I'm using Linux at home on my machine, and I've been using the commands for a long time, and I want to help you with using the IP address command, the IP command, to find IP address info of your computer and your network and related networked computer, because every computer has an IP address, and even if it's not connected, it's going to have the loopback IP address, the 127.0.0.1, the loopback address for testing networking on your computer. Is it ready to be networked or not? Now, if you connect it to a network, it's going to have a different address. The address can be private or can be public on the internet. So yeah. So how do you find the IP address in Linux of your computer or other network computer attached to your local network or wide area network? You can type. I just made a short now. You can watch it too. It's 3 minutes, I think. Uh, you can type IP and hit enter. Once you type IP enter, it will give you the Linux terminal will give you an output. It's going to tell you usage of the IP, how to use it, because typing IP by itself is not enough. You have to type IP and some information, and then the system will give you, once you type IP enter, it's going to give you the usage, and then the format is IP option uh, object. So basically, you type IP, then you have to type the option, and then the object, and then it will list what kind of options you can use and what objects you should use. So you can pick and choose and try those commands. So one of the two commands I used are the how to find, because nowadays the computers have, especially on the internet, when you connect it to the internet, it's got IPv4 and it's got IPv6. So how to find IPv4 of your computer using the IP command? You type IP space dash 4, which is the option, and then you type address, the word address, which is the object. So this is an example. So you type IP. If you have a Linux computer, try it now. You can try it today. IP space dash 4 space address, and you hit enter, and it will give you the IP4 address. Now, if you want to know the IPv6 address, you type IP dash 6 dash address, and it will give you the IPv6 address of your machine, because nowadays on the internet you have the IPv4 and IPv6. So you have to know about this. If you have any questions, let me know. Submit it in a comment, and let me know if you have any question about using Linux commands to find the IP address or other information. Because I've been using Linux for the longest time, and it's a very good system and skills to learn. Most servers nowadays, they're running Linux operating system. So if you have any questions, submit it in a comment and let me know what kind of topics you're interested in, so I can make more videos about the topics you want to learn about. So anybody have a question about using the IP address command? I can answer you now on this live stream. So yeah, and make sure you submit your questions if you have any question about using the IP command and how to use it, you know. Thank you for joining this live stream. I make those videos often live, you know. So if you have any question, let me know. I can answer you now, or I can answer you in the future, you know. So it's not difficult to use Linux commands. You just have to, after you install it, access the terminal window and start typing commands. You know, it's not that difficult. So, hey, welcome, guys. Al Wastel is live too high. Welcome, Mitchell. Welcome. How are you doing? Where are you tuning in from? Are you in the US or overseas? Let me know where you're tuning in from, and let me know. Let me know if you have any questions so I can answer you. Do you understand how to use the IP command in Linux? If you have any questions, let me know so I can help you now. This is one of the commands that you can use to find the IP address of your computer and your internet, you know. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm trying to make this short video today before I go to my main full-time job. So if you have any question, I will answer you right now. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're interested in this kind of topic. Oh, Australia, welcome. Oh, no, that's nice. Australia. Are you in Sydney or outside Sydney? Yeah, guys, make sure UAE, welcome. Al Wasl is live to UAE. Oh, okay, UAE, yeah, United Arab Emirates. Yep. So, yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you for joining this live stream, you know. Already subscribed. Thank you so much for subscribing, Mitchell. Thank you. Yeah, I make those videos often, so I'm gonna be making more videos and often to help you use some of the software and software as a service I use myself, like Linux commands, making web pages using Visual Studio Code. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, because on this channel I make videos about technology and specifically about the software and software as a service. And I make simple websites, you know, using Visual Studio Code for code editing, like using HTML5, CSS3, and some JavaScript. I'm not good when it comes to JavaScript. It's difficult, you know, but yeah, check out my channel and see what topics I cover. And if you're interested in those topics, let me know so I can make more videos, you know, because I don't know exactly what everybody likes, you know. If it's a topic that I can cover, I'll make sure I'll cover it, you know. So yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you for joining. Who else here? Anybody have a question? Make sure you ask me questions so I can answer you now on this live stream. And even if you're not on this live stream, I can answer you in the future. But make sure you add any questions or topics, or, you know. So yeah, in the evening and on the weekends, I make longer videos. Now those videos are short because I'm getting ready to go to work, you know. So because I make them quickly, but you know, I want to help people. So Even now, as I'm getting ready for my job, you can ask me question. You know, I'm looking at the chat box here. Yeah, Linux is a good skills to have. You know, so and Linux operating system is for free. You can install it on any computer. You know, and you can use it. So who else? Anybody have a question? Questions, comments? Let me know what topics you're interested in. Are you a programmer? Do you make websites? Do you use Linux? Are you a network engineer? Myself, I am a telecom engineer. You know, I've been doing that for the last 20 years. So I have a lot of experience when it comes to telecom. And yeah, so who else? Anybody have a question? Questions, comments? Yeah, so yeah, on this, I'm talking about using Linux commands, you know, and specifically the IP address command, because it's very important to know your IP address of your computer locally or network, whether you're on a local area network or a wide area network or on the internet. It's good to know how to use the IP address this way. Oh, okay. Outside Sydney. Okay, I see. Yeah. What's good? Everything is good. The day it's starting now, so we'll see how it goes. Anybody else have a question about? I also make videos about Visual Studio Code. It's a code editor. You can use it to make HTML5, CSS3 codes, and to edit, you know, a web page. I use that, you know. So and also about what else I make videos about? Netscape, Inkscape for making vector graphics. So vector graphics, then I convert them to PNG, and that's how I make my YouTube thumbnails. You may not like them because I'm not a good I'm not good in when it comes to graphics, you know. Yeah, I'll see you later. Yeah, have a good day, Mitchell. Yeah, I'll see you later. Yes, yes. I'll see you later. Yeah. Thanks for subscribing. See you in the near future. Okay, who else? Anybody else have a question about Linux commands, about the networking commands, how to use them, you know? So let me know if you have any questions. And the N word is mine. What do you mean? Dirty Dan. Thank you for joining this live stream. How can I help you? Do you have any questions about Linux IP command? This is very important to know how to use the this command because it gives you a lot of information about your computer and the IP address, whether it's IPv4 or IPv6. You know, this is very important to know. And let me know if there's any questions you want me to help you with. On this channel, I make videos about software and software as a service I use myself and I recommend. So I have to take it off these. So make sure you can still hear the earbuds, you know. So can you still hear me now? So yeah, Dirty Dan, make sure you subscribe. Al Wasl is live too. Make sure you subscribe, guys, because I need your help in growing my channel, and I will help you in return make more videos like these. So I gotta go. Okay, sure, yeah. I attacked last week. Odds Stadium. What is that? I'm not sure where is that stadium. Yeah. Anyone else? Nigeria? Yeah. Who else? Any questions, comments? Who else? Anybody else? Questions, comments? Anybody else? Questions, comments? Yeah, who else is interested in knowing about Linux commands and how to use them, the IP address command and other software and software as a service? Let me know what topics you're interested in. And I will make more videos like this. Just let me know what you're interested in. Till food stamps. That's funny name. Yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this kind of topics. I don't want to push or force anybody to subscribe, but if you're interested in these topics, let me know, and I'll be making more videos related to these. So anyone else? Questions, comments? All right, guys, I'm gonna go down to the parking, and I'll take you with me. So make sure you stay connected. So all right, so yeah, you have questions about the IP address commands, let me know so I can answer you right now on this live. Otherwise, subscribe and make sure you let me know what topics you want to cover, you want me to cover. So let's see, how is it outside? It's not too bad. It's not snowing, hopefully. It's not slippery. So, yeah. Let's go down to the parking. It's underground. Anyone else have a question? Let me know if you have any question or any comments. So, yeah, are you interested in learning about how to use. Let me know if you're interested in learning more and add any topics you want me to cover in the future. So, all right, coming to the parking here. All right. All right, who else? Questions, comments? Nobody have any question today? I'm very surprised. Let me close this. No questions, no comments. All right, let me see. Yeah, who else? Who else have any questions or any comments? I'm warming up my car now. I'm getting ready to go to work. This one here. What else? What else? You have any questions or any comments? Let me know if you're interested in this topics. Yeah, who else is here? Yeah, again, this is George Shamoun. I'm coming to you live. You might see it dark. I'm in my car now, getting ready to leave to my full-time job. But if you have any questions, let me know and submit your questions and topics you might be interested in, you know. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. If you're on this live stream, let me know if you can hear me. Can you see me and hear me well? Because I am in the car now. I removed my headset, you know. Can you still hear me? Let me know. And if you have any questions, let me know too, you know. So, else, questions, comments, topics. Anyone else? Okay, that will flip. There's only 2 people here, but you know, make sure you subscribe to the channel or submit your questions, you know. Yeah, so on this, we're talking about Linux command for finding the IP address, the IPv4 and IPv6, you know, and those were example. I just gave them on one of the shorts video. I made a short previously, and I gave you examples. So if you want to look at them, this is only a live. I'm not typing or writing anything on my screen or the screen, but I'm here to answer your question. If you have any questions, let me know. Anyone else? Questions, comments? Can you? I don't know if you can hear me. I am in my car now, so make sure you let me know if you can hear me or not, so I know. Okay, so now I'm gonna be. Okay, I'm gonna drive now, and we can talk while I'm driving. So let's see. Yeah, if you have any questions, submit it in a comment. Even though you may not see my face because I'm driving now. So, but I can help you. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this kind of topics, because I'll be making more videos and more live. So so let me know if you have any questions or any comments, or yeah, I'm gonna be driving now, so it'll be it'll be about 10 minutes, 15 minutes driving. So if you wanna stay, you're welcome to stay. And so. Yeah, do you have any questions or any comments or any topics you want to discuss? I'm gonna be driving now, so I'm not gonna be looking at the screen. I'm gonna put the phone on the side, but you can still add questions, and in 10 minutes I'll be answering them. Once I get to my destination, I will answer them. Just add your questions and let me know what you're interested in, what you want me to discuss, what topics when it comes to technology and software and software as a service. That's what I make on this channel. I make videos, tutorials about making a web page, setting up a website using the dashboard control panel of a web hosting. I work with, I like the independent web hosting, the self-hosted website using templates, and haven't used yet the platform specific website builders like Squarespace, Shopify, and Weebly and Wix. So let me know what kind of questions you may have about the topics I discuss on my channel. And if you're interested in more topics, let me know. I talk about HTML5, CSS3, and some JavaScript, basically using Visual Studio Code to create codes and editing codes. This is what I used when I set up my website using HTML5, CSS3 templates, and JavaScript. So if you're interested in those topics, let me know and I will help you. So anyone else, questions, comments? Anyone else, questions, comments about the topics I'm discussing? All right, let's see. Driving to work now to my full-time job. Anyone else have any questions or any comments about the Linux commands, making websites, about software I use on my channel? Let me know what you're interested in, and we'll take it from there.
just to show you where I am here now. If you can see around, this is the highway there. So from time to time I can show you every time I stop. So I am on a traffic light now, and take a look here and here and here. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions about topics I cover on my channel about software as a service. So yeah, I'm here. I'm still with you, but I'm driving. So like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel and add any comments or questions you may have, and I can help you later on. So it's now very cold. It's like 32 degree Fahrenheit outside. 32. It means 0 Celsius. I don't know where you live, but if you use the metric system, it's 0 Celsius now. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very cold, but I'm glad it's not snowing or it's not raining, so we can deal with the cold temperature by itself. Anyone have a question or comments or issue? Anyone else have a question? So let me show you. I am on a highway now, so that's why I cannot put the cam on my face. So this is the highway here. Any questions, comments? Yeah, yeah. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'll be making more videos like these, live streams, long form, shorts, etc. Just let me know what you're interested in, and all right, get in there soon. Couple more miles. All right, questions. Anybody have any question? I live in France. Sorry for lying. Okay, that's fine. It's okay. That's funny. So, what do you speak? French, or do you speak French and Arabic if you're living in France? So that's very interesting. Wow. How's France? How's living in France? Yeah. Who else? Questions, comments? Guys, I cannot look at the screen because I'm driving. So make sure you submit your questions, and I can read them once I get there. You know, I still have about 5 minutes to park. I can look at the screen and answer your questions. So, all right. So this is how it looks like now. The traffic light. Okay. It's green now. This is how it looks like. All right. All right. Let's see. Park here. All right, guys. I am here now. Stop. I'm done. Let's see any comments. All right. Hi again. I want to tell you the truth. I live in France. Sorry for no problem. That's okay. I know you might be joking. So, okay, guys. Anybody have a question? Because I want to wrap up the video, and I'm getting ready to start my day. Maybe I'll make more videos in the future. Maybe tonight or tomorrow. So I'll be making more live videos like these. So submit your questions in a comment box and let me know what topics you want me to talk about. And also make sure you subscribe if you like this kind of content and you like my presentation. I'll be making more tutorials, screen sharing. So with that said, thank you so much. See you.